Hello, I am Anthony. We are continuing the Food Manufacturing Hazard series with episode 13. Today, we are looking at forklift and other mobile plant collisions in production and dispatch areas, the cost of impact in food manufacturing. Let us get into it. People, product, and profit, all at risk when mobile plant collides with people or property. In the food sector, these collisions are a leading cause of severe harm. Workplace transport is the second highest cause of fatal injury in the food and drink sector, accounting for over a quarter of all fatal accidents. Every year, over 200 people are struck by forklift trucks and other vehicles in UK factories. Often, these involve reversing maneuvers where visibility is limited. Most incidents happen in production halls, cold stores, and dispatch yards, where people and vehicles share the same tight, fast-paced spaces. High-risk zones include walkways, doorways, loading bays, and blind corners near racking. Shared routes are the most dangerous. It is not just about standard forklifts. Reach trucks, powered stackers, and yard shunters all pose significant risks in shared work environments. The data shows that being struck by vehicles other than forklifts is actually the single largest category at 31%, followed by forklift strikes at 26%. Together, falls from vehicles and trapping incidents account for another 39%. Safety must go well beyond just separating forklifts from pedestrians. In a coffee manufacturing plant, an operator died when his forklift overturned during a sharp turn. Safe systems of work are what stand between a routine turn and a fatality. At a biscuit manufacturer, a reach truck struck a door lintel, causing it to collapse and fatally injure the driver. Overhead strikes must be part of every risk assessment. Hessel Plant Limited was fined over £430,000 after a driver died reversing a forklift off a trailer. Defects and lack of seatbelt use were key factors. Fablink UK was fined after a welder was struck in a weld shop. When vehicles and pedestrians share enclosed spaces without segregation, injury is a matter of time. An unsecured load of tiles fell and crushed a worker's legs, leading to amputations. A hazard turns lethal even if the vehicle itself never touches the person. A worker suffered severe injuries during loading in Aberdeen. Having a traffic plan on paper is not enough if it does not cover real-world dispatch activities. A fatal overturn occurred when a forklift clipped a curb. Seatbelt enforcement is not a formality. It determines whether a driver survives an overturn. The cost of impact is multi-layered. Beyond the devastating human cost, companies face massive fines, operational downtime, and lasting reputational damage. Recurring root causes include poor segregation, vehicles in poor repair, unsecured loads, and ignored prior warnings. These are preventable failures. Controls that work include physical barriers, one-way systems, mandatory seatbelts, daily checks, and authorized training with active supervision. Before we look at the action plan, here are some practical tips that make the difference. Prioritize daily pre-shift checks and never ignore a near miss. This week, walk the site and check vehicles. This month, review your traffic plan and training records. Ongoing, review every single near miss. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, share it with your team. Subscribe to the Toolbox Ready HSE channel on YouTube for new safety content posted regularly. Nobody gets hurt, everybody stays healthy. See you in the next one.